Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best tools and products for your home improvement projects. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Dolibest 28 inches Demo Bar, also known as the best deck board removal tool. If you're working on a renovation or construction project, especially one that involves removing deck boards or pallets, this is a must-have tool in your arsenal. The Dolibest 28 inches Demo Bar is an all-steel, heavy-duty wrecking bar designed for demolition. Whether you're tearing up old floors, removing nails, or taking down siding, this tool can handle it all. The two sharp and sturdy tines are specifically built for efficient prying, making tough jobs much easier and faster. This is not just another pry bar, it's a demolition powerhouse. What sets this tool apart from others is its ergonomic handle. It features a 9.64-inch soft rubber pad that provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. This reduces hand fatigue and prevents injury during long, strenuous tasks. If you've ever used a standard pry bar, you know how much strain it can put on your hands. With the Dolibest Demo Bar, you can work longer without discomfort. The design of the tool is equally impressive. The handle and fork are fully welded, which increases the overall sturdiness and load-bearing capacity. This means that whether you're tackling a tough deck board removal or breaking apart wooden pallets, you can rely on this tool to get the job done without worrying about it bending or breaking. The handle itself is 23.7 inches long, and the fork length is 4.3 inches, providing excellent leverage and reach. The tines are tapered, allowing them to slip into tight spaces and cracks, making them ideal for all kinds of demolition projects. One of the best parts of the Dolibest Demo Bar is its one-piece construction. No assembly is required. Just grab the bar, and you're ready to start working. This is a great time saver, especially on large projects where you need to focus on getting the job done quickly. If you're someone who takes on DIY projects, or even if you're a professional contractor, this tool is a game changer. It's trusted by professionals in fields like carpentry, roofing, plumbing, and electrical work. And with its durable, rust-resistant high-quality steel, this tool is built to last for years, even through the toughest of jobs. To top it all off, Dolibest offers excellent customer service. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, their team is ready to assist you. The goal is to keep you happy and make sure you get the best possible experience. The Dolibest 28 inches Demo Bar is available in different sizes to suit your specific needs. You can also opt for larger models if you need a longer reach. But no matter which size you choose, you're getting a tool that promises efficiency, durability, and comfort. So, if you're ready to make your next demolition or renovation project much easier, the Dolibest 28 inches Demo Bar is the tool for you. Check out the link in the description for more details and where to buy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. Let us know in the comments if you've tried this tool and what you think.